Fish and chips and vinegar, vinegar, vinegar. Fish and chips and vinegar, pepper, 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 salt.
So today we're on Longboat Key at the dry dock. It's the coldest day that I've ever known in Florida. And the reason for that is because my niece from London has brought the weather from the UK with her. Now Haley is the specialist in fish and chips. So we'll just have to see what she thinks of it. It's very, very crowded in this restaurant. It's a very popular restaurant. And we'll see if the food is as good as it used to be. Because I used to come here 30 odd years ago. Yeah, I'm that old. So the chief guru from the UK of fish and chips has decided to try the local special here, grouper sandwich. Of course, I'm going to have the fish and chips. Okay. Look at that. Vinegar, ketchup, and Haley. What a combination. So here it is, grouper, fish and chips. 2 little pieces is what you get. Comes with tartar sauce and coleslaw and chips. So let's try a chip. Nice chip. Not particularly hot. That is pretty cold. But it's nice. Of course, now I've got to try the grouper. So we dig into it. Very small pieces. Looks good. I'm with Haley. She's from London, so she has very good table manners. That's why I continue to talk whilst I'm chewing. However, now I'm going to use a fork, and the grouper is going to go into the mouth. Haley is getting fed up holding the camera at me whilst I chew, but yes, it is very good. Now for the important thing. I could swear there because I dropped the knife, but I won't. The important thing is they do serve vinegar. So on the other piece, I'm going to put some vinegar. Haley is now getting desperate to eat, so I should let her have a respite as I enjoy this. The batter is really excellent, I have to say. It's crispy, tastes good. Of course, the fish, grouper, is my favorite. Meanwhile, Haley is enjoying her grouper sandwich. Although she sort of de-sandwiched it, so it's just grouper and a bun that's lonely and been left on its own. Right, Haley, what did you think of your bunless chicken? Oh dear, she didn't have chicken, she had grouper. However, Haley, what did you think of your bunless grouper sandwich?
My blackened grouper was absolutely delicious. I would give it at least a 9 out of 10. It was great.
Hell. Very generous. You obviously enjoyed it.
I very much so.
Good. $28 for grouper fish and chips is a fair deal. And I'm going to give this fish and chips 8 out of 10. Thank you very much for watching.